Okay, serious question. Why is nobody talking about this? This little thing right here, DJI Osmo Mobile 7, is literally the cheat code to making your videos look cinematic. And no, this is not just for pro filmmakers, it's for you, me, and everyone trying to go viral. You ever try to vlog with your phone and end up looking like you're in an earthquake? Yeah, same. 3-axis stabilization. This thing basically turns you into a pro filmmaker without even trying. And listen, I know some people are like, why buy a gimbal when your phone has stabilization? Okay, but can your phone track you perfectly while you move? Can it do spin shot mode for those crazy cinematic transitions? Can it extend for the ultimate selfie angle? Nope, didn't think so. Time for some Q&As. Is it easy to use? Literally, yes. You just connect it to the DJI Mimo app, and boom, you're a pro. Does it fit any phone? Yeah, iPhone, Android, doesn't matter. Just clip it in and start shooting. How much does it cost? Less than a fancy dinner date. It's 84.99 Indian rupees on Amazon. And yes, the link is in the description. Okay, I'm not saying you need this, but if you want your videos to go from meh to viral, you know what to do. Click the link in the description, grab your Osmo Mobile 7, and let's make some fire content. See ya in the next one.